Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 1 math subject. Okay, so students, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So students, take out your math books, all of you, and first of all open page number 40. Okay, open page number 40. Write down date first. Okay, 17/8/20. Okay, and write down class work. Okay, so students, you have this topic place value. Okay, the topic name was place value. Okay, you have to write down date here at the top of the page, 17/8/20. You have to write class work. Okay, so the topic is about place value. Okay, students, objective is to make students able to recognize the place value of numbers. Okay, student, look at each abacus, write the correct number in the given box. First has been done for you. So students, firstly tell me, you have this place values. Okay, tens or ones. Okay, each number has own place value. Okay, each number has own place value. So students, in this tens place, how many bits are there? Count with me. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 5. And the place value is tens. Okay, so it's a 5 in the tens place. Okay, and how many bits are present in ones place? 0. So it's 0 in ones place. Okay, so 50 makes what? 50 makes 50. Okay, then next one is, how many bits are present in this tens place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, 7. And how many ones are present? Only 0. So 70 makes 70. Okay, then next one is, how many bits are present in this tens place? 1 2 2. And how many ones? 0. So 20 makes 20. Okay, how many bits are present in tens place? 1 2 3 4 4. And how many ones? 0. So 40 makes 40. Okay, how many bits are present in tens place? 1 2 3. And how many ones? 0. So 30 makes 30. Okay, how many bits are present in this tens place? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6. And ones only 0. So 60 makes 60. Okay, how many bits are present in this tens place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. And how many ones? 0. So 90 makes 90. Okay, how many bits are present in this 9 tens place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. And in ones place, 0. So 80 makes 80. Okay, students, now come to page number 41. Okay, write down date first, 17/8/20. Okay, write down class work. Place value, the topic was about place value. There are 10 stars in the box. Look at this box, students, and count the stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10 stars. There are 10 stars in the box. Okay, so 10 is equal to, okay, what is the place value for 1? For place value of 1, 110. And what is the place value of 0? 0 ones. Okay, so write the exact number in the box. First has been done for you. So students, you have this stars. Okay, how many stars are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10 stars. And how many stars are there? Only 1. So 10 plus 1 makes 11. Okay, 11 is equal to, yes, what is the place value of 1? 110. And what is the place value of 1? 1 1. Okay, next one is, how many stars are present? 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And how many stars are there? 2. So 10 plus 2, students, is 12. 10 11 12. 12 stars are present. And what is the place value for 1? 1 10. And what is the place value of 2? 2 ones. Okay, how many stars are present in this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10. And how many stars are there? 1 2 3 3. 10 plus 3 makes 13. So what is the place value for 1? 110. And what is the place value for 3? 3 ones. Okay, how many stars are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And how many stars are there? 1 2 3 4. 10 plus 4 makes 14. So what is the place value for 1? 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, Okay, how many stars are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And how many stars are there? 5. 10 plus 5 makes 15. 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15. So 1 10. Okay, and what is the place value for 5? 5 ones. Okay. Okay, now next one is how many stars are there? 10 and 6. 10 plus 6 makes 16. 1, what is the place value for 1? 1, 10 and 6 ones. Okay. Now students, tell me 10 stars. Here is 7 stars. 10 plus 7 is 17. And what is the place value for 1? 1, 10, 7 ones. Okay. How many stars are there? 10 and here 8. So 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8 is what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Yes. So 1, what is the place value for 1? 1, 10 and 8 ones. Okay. Now student, come to page number 42. Write down date first, 17, 8, 20, class work. Okay. So student, 10 stars are there and here is 9 stars. 10 plus 9 is what? 19. And 1 tens, what is the place value for 1? 1 10. And what is the place value for 9? 9 ones. 10 here stars are there, 10 stars are there. So 10 plus 10 is makes 20. So 2, what is the place value for 2? 2, 10 and 0 ones. Okay. Now write the given numbers in tens and ones. What has been done for you. So you have this number 11 till 20. Okay, and you have to write these numbers in tens place values. Okay, you have to write the place values. Okay. So 11, firstly is 11. So what is the place value for 1? 1 10. And what is the place value for 1? 1 1. Then what is the place value for 1? 1 tens. And what is the place value for 2? 2 ones. Then what is the place value for 13? 1 10 and 3 1. What is the place value for 14? 1 10 4 ones. What is the place value 15? 1 10 5 ones. What is the place value for 16? 1 10 6 ones. Okay. What is the place value for 17? 1 10 7 ones. What is the place value for 18? 1 10 8 ones. What is the place value for 19? 1 10 9 ones. What is the place value for 20? Yes, 2 10 0 ones. Okay. Place value numbers up to 20. Write the number. Okay, so 1 10 and 2 ones. Yes. 1 10 and 2 1 students. 1 10 means 1 0 10 and 2 ones means only 2. Okay. So student, 110 means 10 and 210 mean 2 ones mean 2. So 10 plus 2 is what? 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1 is here. So 12. The answer is 12. Now B 110 3 ones. So 110 means 1 0 10 and 3 ones mean only 3. And you have to write this in ones place. 3 plus 0 is makes 3 and 1. So 13. The answer is 13. Okay. Now 110 C 1 0 and 5 ones. 5 and 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 1. So 15. Okay. Now D is 110 1 0 10 and 0 1. So 0 plus 0 and 1 is 10. Okay. And next one is 110 1 ones. 10 plus 1 is 11. 110 8 ones. 10 plus 8 is 18. Then G 110 1 0 9 ones only 9. So 9 plus 0 is 9 and 1 is 19. 2 10 0 ones. 2 10 means 220, 20 20. Okay, and 0 ones. So 0 1 means only 0. We have to write in one place. So 0 plus 0 to 20. So you have to write here 20. Okay, so students, you have to do this work. Inshallah we will meet you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz all of you.